Need garage door repair in Plainfield, NJ? Look no further than Johnny's Garage Door Repair Plainfield. We provide expert services, including garage door spring repair, opener installation, panel replacement, cable repair, and routine maintenance. Whether your garage door is stuck, making unusual noises, or failing to open, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. For fast and reliable garage door repair near Plainfield, New Jersey, trust Johnny's Garage Door Repair Plainfield. Call us today for professional service you can count on.